Good day. I'm Yoel Arnone, principal of AV8 MRO. We're in Houston, Texas. We overhaul Hawker landing gear. The Hawker landing gear in particular has a very tortured supply chain. Parts are hard to come by. They were designed in the 50s, made from materials in the 1960s. When we decided that we were going to overhaul the Hawker landing gear, we wanted to bring a new approach to it. We redesigned, re-engineered, and remanufactured most of the parts. The crate hits our docks, and the first thing we do is a pre-inspection of the gear before it even comes out of the boxes, make sure that there's no missing parts, no damage to the gear. After a degreasing process, we bring it into the shop, tear it down. Once it's torn down to its component parts, we depaint the gear, strip it, and then it goes into an inspection process. The inspection process includes visual, dimensional, NDT. After the NDT process, the steel parts are sent for CAD plating. The actual plating process takes around 24 to 36 hours. By doing it in-house, we managed to shave off almost a week in the overhaul turn time. Parts are painted in-house, then move through to final assembly and test. By manufacturing our parts, we bring that under our control, and we have control of the parts manufacturer. We use modern materials, modern manufacturing, so they're a lot easier to get. We're able to pre-position and build parts into kits. That helps us with our turn times and lead times. By making the parts ourselves, we manage to reduce the price for our customers. The largest myth in our industry is that there is only one place to get the landing gear overhauled or exchanged, and that is with the OEM. I'm here to tell you we are an alternative, we are an option, and probably the better option. We do it very, very well. We are experts in that field. We have taken the overhaul and the repair of the Hawker landing gear to new standards. We're very proud of what we do, and we would love for you to have one of our gears.